me to kind of ask a gruesome question, like, how can we trust that what you're saying is true?
Look, let me be categorically clear. The government's never going to admit what's going on because they're the ones that have done it. If you've committed murder on TV right now, saying I've committed murder of 40-odd people, I speak with a lot of responsibility. I double check things over and over again before, even the opposition. I never can vouch unreasonable or illogical or untruthful tweet on anything. I keep it as factual as possible. I'm telling you with great responsibility that there are about 40 dead, and sooner or later it will come out. I have families. I have workers' families who are sitting there and who are being intimidated that if you do not take the dead bodies straight out to your constituency or from their area to get buried, not allowed to stay at work. In some smaller hospitals, money's been taken because they realize the deceased family will do anything at this time to get the body and leave. So they're even asking money for it. But I can confirm to you that there is around 40 dead. So when you asked me earlier that why did the protest be called off, it's because I promise you, for the love of us, we did not expect them to come in, switch the lights off around the container and around where all the protesters were. So electricity was cut off, sound was cut off. And there's viral videos, which if you want, I can send you, that is just showing bursts of gunfire and many died.